These are exam questions for AI 900, Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our question is, when training a model, why should you randomly split the rows into separate subsets? Option A, to train the model twice to attain better accuracy. Option B, to train multiple models simultaneously to attain better performance. Option C, to test the model by using data that was not used to train the model. The correct answer is option C. Our next question. You are evaluating whether to use a basic workspace or an enterprise workspace in Azure Machine Learning. What are the two tasks that require an enterprise workspace? Option A, use a graphical user interface to run automated machine learning experiments. Option B, create a compute instance to use as a workstation. Option C, use a graphical user interface to define and run machine learning experiments from Azure Machine Learning Designer. Option D, create a dataset from a comma separated value file. The correct answer are option A and option C. And next question. You are building a tool that will process image from retail stores and identify the products of competitors. The solution will use custom model. Which Azure cognitive service should you use? Option A, custom vision. Option B, form recognizer. Option C, face. Option D, computer vision. The correct answer is option A, that is custom vision. Our next question. What are the two metrics that you can use to evaluate a regression model? Option A, coefficient of determination. Option B, F1 score. Option C, root mean squared error. Option D, area under curve. Option E, balanced accuracy. The correct answer is option A and C. Our next question. Which type of machine learning should you use to identify groups of people who have similar purchasing habits? Option A, classification. Option B, regression. Option C, clustering. The correct answer is option C, clustering. Our next question. You need to develop a mobile app for employee to scan and store their expense while traveling. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A, semantic segmentation. Option B, image classification. Option C, object detection. Option D, optical character recognition. The correct answer is option D. Our next question. You need to determine the location of cars in an image so that you can estimate the distance between cars. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A, optical character recognition. Option B, object detection. Option C, image classification. Option D, face detection. The correct answer is option B. Our next question. What are the two tasks that can be performed by using a computer vision service? Option A, Train a custom image classification model. Option B, detect faces in an image. Option C, recognize handwritten text. Option D, translate the text in an image between languages. The correct answer is option B and C.